The use of artificial intelligence and machine learning-based applications is booming. But to take these projects to a scalable production-grade level, organizations seek the right tools. As projects scale, however, the amount of technical debt that builds up is massive, which in turn complicates things. This is where Kubeflow comes in with its ability to simplify ML workflows. With the use of Kubernetes, Kubeflow offers an ML platform that abstracts away a lot of steps that could waste valuable time and resources. Let's have a look at Kubeflow. Kubeflow was originally developed by Google engineers and released in 2018, and is now maintained by over 30 member organizations on GitHub. The name Kubeflow is a combination of Kubernetes and TensorFlow. Although Kubeflow began as a way to use TensorFlow workflows and models, it has since grown beyond that use case. This means you aren't locked into using only the TensorFlow ML framework and can choose your own. So what does Kubeflow offer? Kubeflow is a free and open source machine learning platform that can orchestrate workflows running on various Kubernetes environments. It provides a way to deploy open source systems for ML to diverse infrastructures like on-prem, GCP, AWS, Azure, etc. Its central dashboard provides access to all Kubeflow components across the cluster. Let's look at some use cases. Deploying and managing a complex ML system. Since running Kubeflow on Kubernetes gives you all the advantages of Kubernetes as well, this means easier management of an AI organization at scale. Training experimentation. With the easy-to-use user interface, you can easily track experiments and choose the best one for your machine learning model. End-to-end hybrid and multi-cloud workloads. Kubeflow provides portability and secure sharing between clusters, clouds and teams. It's also supported by all major cloud providers and available for on-premises installation. Tuning model hyperparameters. Manually configuring hyperparameters can waste a lot of time. With Kubeflow's Khtib tuner, hyperparameters can be automatically adjusted, which can save days' worth of testing compute time. Continuous integration and deployment. Kubeflow's pipeline component can be used to recreate workflows and automate all the steps needed, which can save time, help in debugging, and maintains consistency. Babylon, a healthcare service provider, required a large amount of computing power that only a cloud service could provide. After having migrated their user-facing applications to a Kubernetes platform in 2018, using Kubeflow then made sense, as its machine learning toolkit is a powerful addition. Now let's look at the pros. Kubeflow has a consistent infrastructure that simplifies the onboarding of new team members. It offers monitoring, health check, along with extensions to new features. Its standardized process helps establish security and better control over the infrastructure. So all these pros can remove a large burden for users by removing complexities and letting them focus on faster deployment, while centralizing everything. Now for the cons. Its high availability is not automatic and needs to be manually configured. The learning curve of Kubeflow is steep, which can make the initial setup bumpy and time-consuming. Let's look at some additional integrations. Jupyter Notebooks are available in Kubeflow, which enables easy notebook sharing across the organization while having the option to create notebook containers or pods and clusters. Feast, an open-source feature store, can be used for defining, managing, discovering, validating, and serving features to models you have in production. To deliver a consistent environment for your ML projects, try Kubeflow today.